What's going on, guys? This is Especially Z on Steadfast Courage. Make sure you like this video and comment this video if you feel so inclined to. But anyways, let's get into this video. Today I got an interesting video for you guys. It's a shotgun. It's a single shot shotgun. It's the ERA single shot shotgun. It's a pretty interesting shotgun. Of course, it's a single shot. All you got is this extremely long 24-inch barrel. It's long, man. This thing's huge, freaking ridiculous. It's a single shot shotgun, and it takes 2 3/4 inch shotgun shells. I mean, look at this thing. This thing's huge, freaking long as hell. The barrel is it just makes me speechless sometimes when I look at it. Look at the size of that thing. That is massive. You better be able to reach out and touch them. Of course, it's a smooth bore shotgun. As you can see, looking down the chamber, it's a smooth bore shotgun. It's very smooth. It's very nice. I'll go over the history of this in a minute. But it's a nice shotgun. It's actually a shotgun I learned to go duck hunting with. Very good shotgun for duck hunting. So, it's a hammer fire shotgun. It's very interesting in that aspect. If you know how to shoot hammer fired weapons, this is pretty simple. Pull back on the hammer. I'm gonna dry fire it and pull that trigger. Very simple. Pull back on the hammer. Pull that trigger. Pull that trigger. And to reload this baby, all you gotta do is pull back on the, I don't know the word for this thing. I would say the lever or whatever. It's pretty nice. It's serrated too. It's serrated to help you grip. You actually thought ahead on that one and reloading it. Pull back on it. Slide it around back in. And good to rock and roll. It's kind of a shotgun that you think Elmer Fudd. When you think single shot shotgun, you think of Elmer Fudd or double barrel shotgun. It's automatically what I think of when I think of a shotgun that requires a hammer to pull back on the hammer, and I'll pull this trigger. And the trigger, it feels like, oh yeah, that trigger feels nice. I say it's about 3 pounds, between 2 and 3 pounds, in that range. It feels really nice. Think about old weapons. Think about old weapons that they actually make the effort on making that trigger squeeze feel amazing. I really like that aspect. It's also made in Brazil. You never hear any, well, besides tourists. Tourists makes weapons in Brazil. And this is made in Brazil. I'll go over the history in a minute. Here we go with the history. I couldn't find much history of this shotgun. Maybe you guys can enlighten me on the history of this shotgun. All I could find is the manufacturer of said shotgun. It was manufactured by E.R. Amanito, also known as Obito. Is a Brazilian firearms manufacturer founded in 1955 at the city of Florianópolis in the state of Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil. That's pretty much all I could find about the shotgun. So leave the comment below if you have any history of such shotgun. That's why it's a single shot, because that's all you want to shoot is one shot. Oh god damn. Smells like roses. Check it out. So what we got here is double out buck. I'm gonna slide that greasy pig in. Bam! Smooth. I'm not gonna pull the trigger. Smooth. And what I got here as well are number 8 shot bird shots. Number 8 shot bird shots. Just slide it right in. Bam! Easy peasy. Pretty good duck hunting shotgun. Of course, you don't break any laws, because there's a law against how many rounds you can have in a duck hunting shotgun. Of course, single shot shotgun, you're within the law. You're not breaking the law. This is actually the shotgun I learned on when I was a kid. Duck hunting. Very easy shotgun to learn on. I would teach anyone who's learning how to use a shotgun with this very same shotgun. The furniture is very smooth. It's walnut. It's built with a thought of elegance. A very elegant weapon. It's kind of the weapon you take to skeet shooting with your $1 million friends, if you have those type of $1 million friends, or those double barrel vertical shotguns. Either one, you know. Pretty boss. I really like the thought of this shotgun. The shotgun's been through generations of my family, so very good shotgun. I would recommend anyone to learn how to shoot a shotgun with this thing. Duck hunting, anyone can learn on this thing. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can learn on this thing. Very good. Very muy caliente. In Navajo, Gunchannel. Oh, goddamn. Oh. Oh. Sweet, sweet, sweet molasses. That is quite painful. It's not a very pleasant ride, man. Oh. That's smell of freedom right there, boy. Oh. You know, I can take some pain, you know. I'm pretty good at taking pain, but sweet Jesus, feels like someone punching you in the chest every goddamn time. Oh, man, this thing's not fun to shoot. I've shot many guns in my life, and I haven't shot this weapon in a long time. And I gotta say, extremely painful and not fun to shoot. Oh, alright. I think I'm good. With a good shotgun, it's like old people. I always think back what old people think and just do, you know? They never complain about a daggum thing. Wanna know why? It's because they were actually men, and, you know? Old men never complain. Wanna know why? It's because they know they already have it good. Or either that, or they know that there's no point in complaining. I'm looking at you, active duty infantry guys. Always complaining about something. But old guys, with weapons like these, no such thing as complaining. They just had it. They knew it ain't getting any better. There's no point in complaining. Just do it, you know? This is all you got, you know? And pretty much what I've seen on this weapon, what I've seen on this shotgun, it's not very expensive. It goes for like $80 to $100 plus shipping. Very cheap. Very, very cheap. Very, very cheap, I tell you. $80. I saw one for 50 bucks, you know, you go online. That's ridiculously awesome, you know? But the problem is you get what you pay for. You may be a lemon, but it's a lemon that actually works, you know? You either get a lemon that doesn't work or a lemon that actually does work. It's quite painful to shoot. I don't know if you want to use this as self-defense. Maybe this is all you got. Take it, you know? It's better than nothing. Yeah, for anything like duck shooting, like anything like duck hunting, I would recommend anyone to give their kid this. That way it teaches them how it feels to take the recoil of a shotgun, not to be spraying, praying rounds all over the place like you would do with one of those semi-auto shotguns. The one like the Benelli M4. That one is just spray and pay, you shoot. And I don't know where the rounds are going. You just unloading a whole goddamn mess of buckshot in one general direction. I mean, that works, but what happens is you gotta reload. Obviously, these aren't easy to reload, especially if you're not trained, especially if you're not quick to reload or you're in a tight jam. But this teaches you to just pick your shots wisely. Don't shoot all limly bimly like. Be smart with what you're doing, and you can take it, you know. Take the punch of the shotgun, 12 gauge. It's very unpleasant, I'm gonna tell you that right now. I shot like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I shot like 9 rounds, 9 shells, and I'm done, man. I'm done, man. No more. It's not pleasant, it's not fun. But anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Steadfast Courage. And make sure you check out all the other videos. And I hope you guys liked this video. I'd like to thank my family. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to do this YouTube thing. Alright. Remember, peace through fire superiority. Vote Republican. Specialistly out. Latest.